How do Scandinavian regions coordinate large green projects? Imagine a region where cities and countryside work together like a well-oiled machine to protect the environment and build a sustainable future. That's how Scandinavia manages big green projects. They use clear plans, cooperation, and smart funding to make it happen. At the national level, countries like Sweden give local authorities a lot of freedom to create their own green strategies. These local groups develop detailed plans for green spaces, water management, and land use. They map existing green areas and set rules for sustainable development. National agencies support these efforts by giving guidelines and helping different regions stay on track with environmental goals. This way, each area can focus on what works best for them but still follow overall national targets. Across the Nordic countries, cooperation is key. The Nordic Council of Ministers helps align policies and share ideas. They support joint projects that promote green energy, reduce fossil fuel use, and develop eco-friendly technologies. Another important player is the Nordic Environment Finance Corporation. They provide funding for projects that show new ways to protect the environment. They work with both public groups and private companies to make green projects more attractive to investors. Specialized institutions also play a role. For example, the Scandinavian Green Roof Institute in Malmö works on green roofs and urban water systems. They do research, give advice, and teach people about sustainable city design. One project in Malmö involved adding green roofs to buildings to manage rainwater better and reduce flooding. These roofs also help improve city air quality and give people more green spaces. Coordination involves many levels of government working together. Local cities, regional authorities, national agencies, and private landowners all team up. They balance land use for farming, housing, and nature. Policies now focus on multifunctional land use, which means combining conservation with urban development. In practice, this means creating plans for green infrastructure that guide how land is used. They use nature-based solutions like rain gardens and green roofs to handle stormwater and prevent floods. Funding from organizations like the Nordic Environment Finance Corporation helps scale up these projects. Knowledge sharing happens through regional meetings and research centers. Countries share best practices and resources to make projects more successful. This teamwork makes sure large green projects are well planned, funded, and carried out. It helps build cities that are greener, more resilient, and better for everyone's future.